Hi, I'm here at MSPO 2019 in Poland with Mark Ayers, who's Sales Director at DroneShield. So you're displaying the RfPatrol and the drone pistol here today. Could you tell us a bit about the products, please?
Yeah, that's right, Oscar. So since we last spoke to you about 6 months ago, DroneShield as a company is continuing to evolve, listening to our customer base, listening to the guys out there actually using the equipment. And for example, the RfPatrol is a piece of kit that really from sort of concept to manufacture has now been with us about 6 months. So just after we spoke to you last time, we've basically addressed the need for law enforcement and the soldier in the field to essentially have the ability to detect drone activity within a sort of 1 kilometre radius, typically scanning the 2.4, 5.8 gigs, 633 and 915 frequency bands. And by doing that, actually have on-the-spot information in terms of, potentially what the threat is. And moving on from that, having the ability to disrupt, obviously on a visual, some form of visual identification, actually having the ability to disrupt that particular device up to a range of about 0.5 kilometre to 1 kilometre, dependent on atmospherics and the rest of it. So basically with that, you actually also have the ability to disrupt the GNSS, the GPS of the drone as well, and obviously then acting a performed or rather controlled descent as well of the device. So essentially some, if you like, out-of-the-box solutions for law enforcement and military that could be deployed very, very quickly, switch on and react there to that basic threat that's now emerging and growing.
So you've had the drone gun recently. Could you tell us a bit about the differences in capabilities between the drone gun and the drone pistol, please?
Yes, so sure. I mean, essentially, the drone gun, whilst it's a great piece of kit, it is large. It has a longer range than what we call the MkIII device. It's actually quite large. Is okay maybe if it's within a vehicle or it's actually deployed quickly amongst a small group of soldiers, for example. Having something small that can actually be used in that kind of patrol environment has a lot more benefit, certainly in terms of reaction time, portability, etc. Okay, it comes with a slightly reduced range, but there is a slight compromise in terms of having the equipment handy and ready to use.
Thank you for speaking to us today.